Hello, xin chào quý anh chị và các bạn. Hôm nay mình hướng dẫn quý anh chị và các bạn làm cách nào để mà thay cái nó gọi là cái front drive shaft của cái xe Mercedes 2013 C300. Mình sorry quý anh chị và các bạn, mình nói tiếng Anh một chút xíu để mình chia sẻ cho mấy người nước ngoài. Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the front drive shaft for the Mercedes 2013 C300. So the front drive shaft underneath for the car, so let's do together. The first time I recommend we have to jack it up to make sure jack stand and everything for safety, and then we take the catalytic converter out. I recommend take the catalytic converter out and we remove catalytic converter out, and we can remove the shaft easy. Okay, let's do together. Okay, the front drive shaft right here in my hand over here, it's very hard to see that because I can show you my hand because the shaft is the U joint is broken. You can see that, but the first time what we have to do, we have to take the catalytic converter down. It's turbo 13, and we have to remove over here. Come over here. They have the joint over here. I really straight W40. So when I take it out, catalytic converter out, and I have more room, and remove the drive shaft, and I let you guys know because now I cannot. Okay, so I have to jack it up and show you. I jack it up on the shaft and make sure I put everything over here for jack stand for safety. Okay, so now I remove the catalytic converter. Okay everyone, before we take the exhaust catalytic converter out, I recommend to take the air filter box out over here. We have more room. Okay, so the air filter box is very easy. They have two bolts over here. I already remove it, and I have the wire harness over here. Just remove it, and I have one clamp over here. Just pop out, and we put it back together later. I show you how to do it easy, not a big deal. So I take the air filter box out and get more room. Okay, now you move over here. You can see that here, catalytic converter over here. Remove the heat shield. I recommend it. And we have a lot of room later. Okay, so now let's do together. Let's see. I have to try them. I want to show you guys more easy to do it. 1, 2. The 2 in the back. 1. Another one. Very hard to do over there. But anyway, we have to take it out. We have to take it out anyway. Okay, after we remove the heat shield, we have more room. Remove the heat shield out. Okay, so we have a lot of room over there. drop the summation down a little bit to make it easy to move the shaft. So now we drop it down a little bit. Let's see more easier now. Maybe not, maybe don't know. Let's see. Hey, finally I get the shaft out. A little bit. It's very hard to do this shaft. It's broken. The shaft is broken. So I take it out anyway. So I wait a new shaft to put on. Okay.